guys, what is up? And today I'm from a different place, just letting you know. It is Robin. I'm not even. It is Robin. And today I'm going to be making some edible slime, which is 2 ingredients. So let's get on with it. First of all, you want to add some sugar. By the way, this doesn't really stretch much. And then you just like mix it with the finger, just crumple it a bit. So then you want to add a bit of water, the tiniest bit. If it's not right, I'm going to add a bit more. Yeah. Maybe a bit too much. Sorry about this. Maybe I just did it. I keep on hitting that. It's not very stretchy. It's a bit sticky, but it's slime. Sort of. Anyway, that's what it's for today, the video. Peace.